Alright. Yo, nah, so this your boy Gangly represent for the whole Gangly Movements family. Straight out of Miami. Right now I'm just chilling in the crib. And I just want to let y'all know about next week Saturday. Back to the basics. Or back to basics. Make sure you be there. If you ain't there, you must be a squirrel. You understand me? Everyone in Nassau will be at Back to the Basics. Alright? Next week Saturday, BPS U-Haul. Slaughterhouse Production. Big up to all the sound man involved. Big up to all the people that's coming out to represent for Slaughterhouse. Alright? It's all about nice vibes, no fuss, no fight. Old school music straight up to the new. Real tunes getting played today. Real tunes. If you know Slaughterhouse, you know real tunes getting played. You understand me? So, bring your queen, leave your machine, and forward. Back to basics. Gangly Movement say so. Next week Saturday, May 26th. BPS U-Haul. Nassau, come out. Boom.